It was really great to come together this morning for our lower school assembly and to have parents and caregivers and students and teachers and everyone from the community singing together. It's a special thing. The students and their teachers were really excited to showcase all that they've been working on this year in music and in Spanish and the overlap. Lots of interdisciplinary work happening there. Jason, our lower school music teacher, along with Max, another lower school music teacher and chorus teacher, really put on a wonderful show. And you could tell from how loudly and exuberantly the children were singing that they were proud of what they knew and were so happy to share it with their families. It was also really wonderful to see Chris, our lower school Spanish teacher, be able to highlight the work that he's been doing in class with students 4-5s through 9-10s. The study of music that our music teachers take their classes through every year is really about the study of people and the study of cultures. Today it was highlighted at our assembly. We had songs from Ghana, we had songs from and traditions from Puerto Rico with the Gigante celebration. We had a song from the Cherokee Nation, from Indigenous people, that was a song around community and welcome, coming together. And there for sure was an overarching theme of peace and community in all the songs that were selected. And this aligns with our culture here at MCS, the pillars of MCS, and our MCS mission in general. Participating in assemblies as the lower school director now always brings me back to my time at MCS as a student. 4-5s all the way up through 8th grade. And I remember being in the building on 96th Street and all of us crowding into the music room, not enough room for parents, they were always flooding out the door, and we would just sing together and we would fill the space with our love and our music and our voices, and that's the same feeling I have as I participate in assemblies now. And it always brings a slight tear to my eye that I try to contain as I sing these songs that bring me back and bring me forward.